In this little lesson, we are learning to identify Australian coins. In Australia, we trade notes and coins for the things we want to buy or the services that we need. Our notes and coins are called dollars and cents. We have 4 silver coins valued in cents, our 2 gold coins are valued in dollars, and our 5 notes are valued in dollars as well. Today, we're going to have a closer look at our coins. Let's start with this one, the 5-cent piece. This is the smallest of the Australian coins, and it has the lowest value, meaning we can't buy as much with it. Like all of our silver and gold coloured coins, one side, the head side, has an image of Queen Elizabeth II, the reigning monarch of England. The appearance of the Queen on our coins is because it's a requirement of legal tender, and it represents Australia's colonial ties to Great Britain and the Commonwealth of Nations. But it's the back or the tail side of the coin that we want to check out. On this side of the coin, we can see the number 5 and a spiky little echidna. Did you know that the echidna is also called a spiny anteater? And it's an egg-laying mammal, and it has spikes on its back that are composed of keratin, the same stuff that makes up your fingernails. That's weird, hey? Our next coin, in order from lowest to highest in value, is the 10-cent coin. It's slightly larger than the 5-cent coin. Can you see how we know it's a 10-cent coin? Yes, I think you got it. Was it the number 10 that helped you? Thought so. What else can you see on the back of this coin? It's a little hard to tell, but it's one of these, a lyrebird. It's called a lyrebird because its tail is similar to the shape of this musical instrument, a lyre. The lyrebird is also really, really clever. Did you know it can mimic or sound like lots of different things? If you get a chance, you should check it out. The third largest coin in Australian currency is the 20-cent coin. On the back of this coin, we can see the number 20 and a platypus swimming through the water. Like the echidna, the platypus comes from the monotreme family, a group of egg-laying mammals. That's really bizarre. The last of our silver coins is the largest in size. It's the 50-cent coin. Apart from having the number 50 on the back, it also has 2 iconic Australian animals, the kangaroo and the emu, and they're holding a shield between them. The kangaroo, the emu and the shield make up what is called the Commonwealth coat of arms. If you look carefully, the shield has 6 different images to represent the states of New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia and Tasmania. The Federation star above has 7 points, 1 point for each state and a point for the territories. Unlike other Australian coins, this one is easily recognised because it isn't round. It has lots of sides and corners. Let's check out how many sides there are. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Did you know in geometry a 12-sided shape is called a dodecagon? Our next coin is the first of our gold-coloured coins. Unlike the silver coins whose value we count in cents, the gold coin's value is calculated in dollars. Let's check out the back of the $1 coin first. While we often find the $1 coin with many different designs on the back called commemorative issues, the standard design for this coin is a mob of 5 kangaroos of different sizes. Regardless of the pattern on the back, the coin will always show the value of $1. The $1 coin was first used in 1984, replacing the older $1 note. The last in our collection of Australian coins is the $2 coin. Even though it's roughly the same size as 10 cents, $2 has the greatest value of all of our coins, meaning we can buy a lot more with it. The back of the $2 coin has an image of an Aboriginal elder. Aboriginals are Australia's First Nations people. The coin also has a native grass tree and the Southern Cross, a constellation of stars only seen in the Southern Hemisphere. The $2 coin replaced the $2 note in 1988, and like the $1 coin, it also comes in a number of commemorative issues. Now that we've found out more about our Australian coins, it's time to find out how much you remember. You can do this by clicking on the quizzes icon, clicking on the Kahoot link, or using the worksheet. If you're accessing the activity for your teacher online, they'll be able to tell you the code to use and username to enter. And remember, to help you stay safe while you're working online, always let a trusted adult know what you're doing. When you're ready, click on the link for our next little lesson where we're going to find out more about Australian notes.